Why don't you just stay?
Hello YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel, Just Being Me, Devanice. So happy Wednesday, y'all. Today's video is in collaboration with Coeebags. Coeebags sent me out a pair of Fendi slides to unbox. So y'all, let's get started. Okay, so let's open up the box. So as you can see, it's a Fendi dust bag for the slides. And then you just have a Fendi card inside of the envelope. So there we go. There's the prize. Taking it out of the box. So let's just set the shoes back on top of the box for display. Let's get all that plastic and paper out of it. All right. So as you can see, the shoes were well made. The black leather is very, very soft and plush to touch. The gold hardware is very bold, just like the bag. I have the Fendi Graphy bag also. These shoes are the Fendi Graphy sandals, if I didn't mention it before. And so yeah, look at how thick the sole is. They have the Fendi on the inside and also have the Fendi on the bottom of the shoe. Really nice and well made quality shoe. So let's try them on and see how they feel and how they look on my feet. Excellent. I love these shoes. They are so gorgeous and they're gonna look so good with my bag. I can't wait to put them together. I can't wait. Can't wait to put them together. Oh my goodness. Okay, so if anyone is interested, I will leave all the information in the description box. Thanks for watching.